funny bunnies! Subscribe now!
He's Harry the bunny. He loves to be funny and play every morning when everything's sunny. When the morning comes to stay, he loves to play all day. He's the sunniest bunny. Is Harry the bunny.
I'm the funniest, sunniest
Harry the bunny. He's Harry the bunny.
Oh, hello everybody. I'm Harry the bunny. Ha! I love the color red. Everything looks so much prettier in red. I'm calling today a special red day. And I'm ready for it. I'm going to make everything red today. I'll start by painting a yummy red strawberry with my red crayon. Ooh, what a yummy looking red strawberry. Too bad I can't eat it. Now I'm thirsty. And because today is a red day, I'm going to drink some red tomato juice. Oh, red and tasty. Now, what can I play with that's red? Wow! My red fire engine. Vroom, 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 vroom. I'm ready for a nap. I hope I have a lot of dreams about red flowers and red balloons. But not red carrots. Carrots shall always be orange. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies.